Hello, welcome. My name is Walter. We are going to solve simultaneous equation. And here we are going to use combining method. In combining method, we are going to use elimination and substitution to solve the simultaneous equation. So first, I'm going to name this equation. I'm going to name this as equation number 1, and I'm going to name this as equation number 2. Since my simultaneous equation involves fraction, example number 1, 1 out of 3 and 1 out of 2, I'll find the LCM of this denominator. That is going to be 6. And also equation number 2 has fraction also 1 over 2, 1 over 3, and 5 over 6. I'm going to find the LCM of 2, 3, and 6 so as to eliminate the fraction. So I'm going to multiply equation number 1 by 6 and equation number 2 by 6 to remove the fraction. So I'll multiply this equation here by 6, and equation number 2 I'll multiply by 6. Now 6 multiplied by 1 out of 3x, I'm going to get 2x. 6 multiplied by 1 out of 2y, I'm going to get addition of 3y. 6 multiplied by 0, I'll get 0. I'm going to call this as equation number 3. 6 multiplied by a half x, I'm going to get 3x. 6 multiplied by 1 out of 3y, I'm going to get 2y. This is equal to 6 multiplied by 5 out of 6, I'm going to get 5. I will call this as equation number 4. So now we are going to eliminate x to get y. So we are going to make the coefficient of x equal. To make this coefficient equal, I'm going to multiply equation number 3 by 3 and equation number 4 by 2. So multiply by 3. And here we're going to multiply by 3. Equation number 4 multiply by 2. And here we're going to multiply by 2. This is going to be 3 multiplied by 2x. It's going to be 6x. Plus 3 multiplied by 3y is going to be 9y. This is equal to 0. Two multiplied by 3x is going to be 6x. 2 multiplied by 2y is going to be 4y. This is equal to 5 multiplied by 2, going to get 10. This is question number 4. Now we are going to subtract equation number 3, take away equation number 4. So here we are going to subtract 6x, take away 6x, 6x, take away 6x, going to be 0. 9y, take away 4y. This is equal to 0, take away 10. 9y, take away 4y, going to remain with 5y, which is equal to minus 10. 5y equal to minus 10, divide by 5, going to get y by 5 1 by 5 1, y is equal to minus 2, that is by 5 1 by 5 2. Now we are going to substitute the value of y equal to minus 2 to equation number 4, which says 3x plus 2y equal to 5. So 3x plus 2 multiplied by y is equal to minus 2. This is equal to 5. That is 3x minus 4. This is equal to 5. Now 3x is equal to, when 4 go to the other side, when 4 go to the other side, it's going to be 9. Now 3x equal to 9, divided by 3, divided by 3, by 3, 1, by 3, 1, by 3, 1, by 3 is going to be 3. So x is equal to 3. Therefore, we are going to get x is equal to 3 and y is equal to minus 2. Don't forget to share, subscribe, and comment to this video. See you next time. Bye.